Have you ever wondered how objects and classes work in programming? Well, today we're diving headfirst into this fascinating topic. Let's start by picturing a world filled with things. A chair, a book, a dog. Every one of these items has unique properties like color, size, weight, and behaviors like sitting, reading, barking. In the realm of programming, we can create similar entities, and we call these objects. An object is essentially a self-contained entity that encapsulates data, which are its properties and functionality, known as methods, related to a real-world thing. You can think of it as a blueprint for creating specific instances of that thing. Output. For instance, you could create an object named chair with properties like color, which could be red, material, which could be wood, and methods like sit and move. This object encapsulates the general concept of a chair, and you can create multiple instances of it with different values for its properties. But how do we organize these objects effectively? That's where the concept of classes comes into play. A class is a blueprint or template that defines the properties and methods that all objects of a particular kind will have. Imagine a class as a cookie cutter. It outlines the basic shape of all the cookies you bake, but each cookie can have its own unique decorations and flavors. Similarly, each object can have its own distinct properties and values. So, in essence, objects are individual entities, while classes are the blueprints that define the characteristics of those entities. Let's make things a bit more concrete with an example. Suppose we want to create a program that simulates dogs. We can define a class called dog with properties like name, breed, age, and methods like bark, wag_tail, and play. Each dog that we create using this class can have its own unique name, breed, and age. And they all can bark, wag their tails, and play. In summary, objects and classes are fundamental building blocks in programming. They help us create complex systems by breaking them down into manageable parts. Objects encapsulate properties and behaviors of real-world entities, and classes provide the blueprints for creating these objects. I hope this exploration into objects and classes has shed some light on these fundamental concepts of programming. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments section. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos and concepts. Thank you for joining us today at SMPC Academy.